Yeah, Captain Larry W6WUH in California. It's Saturday afternoon, I think it's the 2nd of March. And we've put the Harbach power supply that I built some months ago. Actually got it wired into the amplifier now, physically mounted and wired in there, and added a bunch of new wires that go to the meters, the high voltage lines in here, and a new bypass cap here. Ran a new bias wire down to the relay, and just to clean the dirt off the front panel. Haven't put the new meter in it yet. So next we'll figure out how to wire this up, meter switch in the meter, and I don't think this is original. I got to check that. But, we'll look at the manual, but last time we got all the tuned input circuit fixed up, and this part of the ALC circuit redone. So next time we'll work on this front panel, get the meter wiring figured out, and connect up everything, and remount the front panel, I guess. And still got to work on the tank circuit. There's a missing 500 puff mica loading capacitor for 80 meters, so I got to find something suitable and put it in there. I ordered RF chokes for the grid circuit, and 4 new 200 picofarad mica caps. We'll just replace them all. And we only had one good RF choke, and decided I wanted to have 2 that were at least the same. So I got 2 high current RF chokes. They only have I can't remember, it's 9 ohm or 9/10 of an ohm resistance, and the RF chokes that are in there have a 38 or 39 ohm DC resistance. So I'm not sure what difference that's going to make. If the linearity and the IMD aren't good, I can add some carbon resistors in series with the RF chokes to make the resistance be what it was originally. The big what do you call it, Zener diode string in this thing for the bias. So the manual says that those RF chokes and 200 puff caps provide degenerative bias to the grids to improve IMD. So we'll see what we get. I guess I could test this power supply almost any time if I wanted to, but I'm not really worried about it. So that's today's progress. It's kind of a pain in the ass. the instructions from Harbach are not very good, and so I always struggle with that a little bit, but we got it done. Found the appropriate wire and all that. So that's the story for today.